Who wants to learn Amharic with a language app? The current problem with the apps is many of those teach you individual words or phrases. Some of them might be even not that useful or boring. And our solution to that problem is teaching question answer pairs together with the picture, giving a hint about the answer. You can see in the example from the Finnish course, you see a picture, the question, the incomplete answer, showing what's missing. And the user would have to type, in this case, the answer. There are four different modes, and this one is the right mode. I will demonstrate you later how the different modes work. The explanation pop-up window is one of the features of the question answer pairs as well. They are optionally there. So each question might not have it, but ideally we will try to create one explanation for each question answer pair. Here you can see an example. You get the grammar explanation for all of the words. You get the facts about the question and etymology of some words present in the question or answer. And we will have more than 80 topics. Everything from beginner topics that you see here, greetings, colors, weekdays, months, and so on. And also some advanced general knowledge topics, like you can see here, capitals, countries, flags, currencies, languages, and many, many, many others. In the topic card, you can see here two buttons where we have the integrated SRS system. So the learn button shows how many questions that topic has in total for that difficulty and how many you have already learned. After completing the lesson, you can review those by pressing the review button. There are two difficulties, easy and hard. For example, if you learn weekdays in the easy mode difficulty, you would get questions like this: What day comes after Monday? What day comes before Sunday? What day is between Monday and Wednesday? And so on. And if the difficulty is hard, you might get something like this: What are the days of the weekend in Brunei? Which day was named after Thor? And culture and history, like general knowledge in the hard difficulty. So even natives would enjoy this difficulty. And easy is really good for beginners or even children learning the basics of their mother tongue. There are four different modes. I will demonstrate the four modes now. And I have to say, I haven't checked how correct the content in Amharic is here, and it's not even relevant. You will just see how the app would work, and we only have two questions available, like you can see here for Amharic from English. Um, but whenever the app has Amharic, we will have native Amharic speakers who have translated and proofread everything. So here you have the picture, you have the question, you can toggle and see the transliteration, and toggle once more to see the English translation. And it's up to you if you want to toggle the buttons or not. And you can see the incomplete answer. You see what's missing. You can also toggle that to see in Latin script. Let's try something. That was correct. And after choosing something, you see the complete answer here. You can toggle it. You can listen to the audios. I don't have the audios yet here, so they are not working. The write mode works like this. You have the question similarly, the incomplete answer, and you type the missing word here, but we have a hint button, and if you press it, you get one letter at a time. And if you're not familiar with the script yet, you can toggle this to get the transliterated version of the missing word, and then you just write something and check if it's correct. If it's not, you still see the correct answer here. Next one is the unscramble mode. You only have the picture and the question, and you have to form the answer from the word tiles. You can do it with these original script word blocks, or you can toggle to see the transliterations and use those. After answering, you get the answer here. You can toggle it. You can see the transliteration, translation, and the last one is the speak mode.
Giờ mấy
You
mình cô lắm
you don't
nổ.
hear anything now, but you would automatically hear the question first. If you want to hear, like, listen to it again, you press this button. If you still don't understand it, you can see the question in text from here, and then you just press and hold your answer. But I don't speak Amharic, so I don't know. I just show it how it works. And you check, and yeah, it was incorrect. You see the correct answer here. That was all about the modes. So the first four languages will be Finnish and English. Like first two, Finnish and English, and the first four, uh, Russian and Ukrainian after the initial two. And we will add Amharic whenever there's enough demand for it. And also the translation work will it will cost for different languages something starting from 10,000, 10 to 30,000, or maybe even more, but probably something between that range. So we want to know if there's enough demand for Amharic, and when we have some revenue, uh, we will see what languages have the most demand. The initial learning modes will be, well, the first one is this vocabulary practice that you saw here, but we will have several practice modes, several challenge modes to learn together with your friends or randoms. There will not be any freemium. That's why we have the YouTube channel. We will hire a native speaker and go through all the lessons in the app when it has anything between 5 to 10,000 questions translated, ideally more than 10,000. So you would get all of that free for free. But if you want to use the app for yourself, then we have the monthly, €3, yearly 12, or a lifetime for super fans 1,000. But the app is not published yet. Hopefully, it will be published this year, 2026, and then we will see what languages come in the future. But if you're interested in Amharic or any other languages, let us know in our waiting list. Just sign up. We have the link in the video description, and just fill the form, and you can test the app. And yeah, that's all for this time.